Today we're going to talk about the follow-up video to my previous video, Overwintering Your Pepper Plants. 3 points I will cover in this video: fertilizing, how I fed the pepper until now, pollination, tools I used, benefits and potential outcomes. Since my last video, I tried to stay consistent in fertilizing my pepper plant. You need to try and feed every 2 weeks. What I used was 6 grow domefuls of the rinse and refill water solution. This helped a great deal between feedings. Next is how and when I let my flowers bloom. I continued to pinch off the flower buds all the way until the end of March. After that, I left the buds to flower and used my Arrow Garden tool to pollinate the flowers. You can use an electric toothbrush, a cotton swab, or even a gentle breeze with a shake to the stem of the pepper. I preferred the Arrow Garden tool. Lastly, benefits and possible outcomes are you get peppers in the winter or throughout the colder seasons. Outcomes: your peppers will grow, flower quicker because most of the growth is done, except when you're transplanting outdoors. You will need to acclimate the pepper to see the sun again, and you will need to give them protection just the same way as you would small seedlings. I'm looking forward to the next steps, and we'll make another video once I transplant them into the garden.